What's going on, everybody? My name is John, and I'd like to welcome you to the Ride Free YouTube channel. What's going on, riders? This morning and today I wanted to talk about some of the pros and cons of having the 48, which is the XL1200X Forty-Eight. So it's just the 1200 Sportster. It's made to look like the bikes that were on the road in 1948. This peanut tank here. So it's the smallest tank Harley Davidson makes from the factory, from what I understand. It's got that, and it's got the big front beefy tire, and it comes from the factory with forward control. So instead of your mids, you got the forward controls from the factory, the big front tire, and you also got the 2.8 gallon peanut tank. What's going on, guys? Today I'm sporting the RF large script shirt. As you can see on the front here, it has nothing. It's bare on the front, and it's just got the big RF script on the back, and that's so when you're riding down the road, driving your motorcycle, people can see the RF. And of course, the R stands for ride, F stands for free. One of the biggest pros about owning a 48 Sportster is it's a great around town bike. I can't stress to you enough how easy it is to, I'm 5'10", so I'm not super tall, I'm not super short, on the shorter side, I guess they say these days, short kings, whatever. Anyways, it's really easy to navigate backing out of gravel or turning in gravel or little small local parking lots, anything you go to like that. It's really it's really nimble. It's fun on tighter turns if you got faster roads with tighter turns.